Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Bridget from Descendants 4. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with 2 small angles going up. And then a curve up on top. Now to finish drawing the rest of the eyes, I'm going to zoom in. Underneath, let's draw a curve. And then let's add an oval inside. And then color both of them in black. Next, inside each eye, let's draw another small circle on the top left. Now top out to the ends of the eyes and let's curve it down and in. And now let's move up and let's thicken up the top line like this. And thicken up the bottom line as well. And now let's add a few eyelashes on top and bottom. Now on top of each eye, let's draw an angled line up and curve it over. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move on top and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's draw a curve on top of each eye. Then let's bring it up from the center. And then a curve on top. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start next to the eyes and let's draw an angle down and in. And then curve it down to a point for the chin. Now top and side and let's draw a small curve for the nose, a curve across underneath for the mouth, and then another small curve for the bottom lip. Now top up and let's start drawing the hair. Let's draw a curve up on the right side and then curve it over, stopping here above the left eye. Now on top of this line on the right, let's draw a curve up, bring it down and back up like this. And then a curl in at the end. Now underneath this piece of hair, we can finish off the left side of the head by drawing a line down. Now top back over to the top right and let's draw another curve up and bring it down on the left. Now let's move back over to the top right and let's draw a wavy line down on the right side. And another wavy line down on the left. Now let's take a pause on the hair for now and we'll come back to it after we've drawn the body. Let's move under the head and let's draw a curve down and bring it out for the neck and shoulders. Now underneath, let's bring it down. Then let's curve it in and back out for the waist. and add 2 curves across at the bottom. Now let's move inside and let's draw the top of the dress. Underneath each shoulder, let's draw a line down and then curve it down towards the center. Now inside the top section, let's draw her necklace. Let's draw a curve across, a V shape underneath, and then a heart. Now inside the top of the dress, let's draw a large heart near the top. And then another smaller one overlapping the bottom like this. And that's it for the torso. Now let's move out and let's start drawing the arms. From the shoulders, let's draw a curve out and bring it back in. And add some curved lines inside like this. Now underneath, let's draw 2 lines down and a curve across the bottom. Now let's draw another curve inside near the top and then add a heart inside. And that's it for the sleeves. Now let's draw the arms and hands underneath. Underneath, let's draw 2 small lines down and then angle them outwards like this. Then from the outside line, let's bring it out, curve it down and back in. And then another curve underneath for the thumbs. And that's it for the upper body. Now let's move down and let's draw the bottom of the dress. Underneath on the right side, let's draw a curve out. Then hop into the center and let's draw another curve out and bring it up to close it off. Now underneath, let's draw a small curve down. Now top to the left side and let's draw a curve down for the left side of the skirt. And then a curve across at the bottom. Now underneath, let's draw an angle down and out on both sides and a wavy line across. Now let's hop inside and let's draw the details, starting with the belt. Let's start on the left and let's draw a curve over to the right and back up. And one more underneath. Now on the right side here, let's draw 3 lines down and add a small heart underneath each one. Now let's add the pattern on the bottom section of the skirt. Let's start by drawing some square shapes like this. And the same thing underneath, alternating, forming a sort of brick pattern. Then inside every other square, let's draw a heart. And that's it for the dress. Now let's move back up and let's finish drawing the hair. From the lines we drew earlier, let's continue them down with a wavy line and then bring it in towards the arms. And then continue it on the other side of the arm with a curve to the skirt. Now inside this left section, let's draw 2 wavy lines down like this. Now for the right section, let's draw a small curve at the top, and then 2 wavy lines down again. And that's it for the hair. Now let's move down and draw the legs. Let's start with 2 lines down, angling it in on the left and on the right. And a curve underneath. Now inside on the legs, let's draw some small hearts. And that's it for the legs. Now top down, and let's draw the shoes. Let's start with 2 angled lines down and out. And then a curve across the bottom. Now inside, let's draw a curve up at the bottom. Then underneath, 2 lines down. And a curve to close off each foot. And that's it for Bridget. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!